Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. All right, everybody, let's get going. Let's clear out some space. Let's take some nice deep breaths. Nice deep breath in, settle in. I want you to feel that all throughout your body. Feel everything, down your arms, down your legs, in your belly, and then a nice deep release. Clear all that space out. Now another deep breath in. And this time I want you to feel it in your mind. All your thoughts, just fill them up with prana, fill them full of light, and then just release them out to the universe. And now one last time, I want you to take a deep, deep, deep breath in. Fill yourself up full of light, full of love, and then I want you to just release it. A slow, long release. Settle into your spirit. Settle into the beauty that is this space, this time, right now. All right, sit with your back straight. Make yourself comfortable. Feet flat on the floor, eyes open or closed. And today we're going to use a technique that I've been trying from a gentleman named Tim Wilde. It's a technique to create your day, and it uses golden rainbow fire. So what I'd like you to do is sit comfortably. I'd like you to clap your hands a little bit. Just wake them up. Make sure your palms are activated. And I want you to feel inside of them. I want you to feel a ball of fire glowing, just growing there. And I want you to play with that fire. Pass it back and forth between your hands. Squeeze it like dough. Just play with it. Open your palms up. Open those chakras up. And once you have this ball of light, this ball of fire, I want you to release it. I want you to throw it all around you. I want you to imagine a whirlwind of this beautiful golden rainbow fire. And with your breath, start to make it stronger and faster. I want you to create a tornado of beautiful golden rainbow fire. All the colors of the rainbow, with little flecks of glitter floating around inside of it. I want you to go, and I want you to breathe heavily into it. Watch it whirl. Make it gain power. Build up momentum, and more momentum, and more momentum, till you're in the middle of a violent tornado of rainbow fire. When you're ready, what we're going to do is we're going to send this fire out into our day. We're going to send it ahead of us. So I want you to envision your timeline for the day. I want you to imagine what needs to be done, whether it's a busy day or a peaceful day. Just send this beautiful fire, this whirlwind of fire. Send it ahead of you. Send it out on all levels of your day, to every situation you predict, to getting parking spaces, everything you could imagine. Just send it out ahead of you. Make sure it gets there before you do. It arrives and it alchemizes all the situations. Your entire day is now lit up with this beautiful, radiant, golden rainbow fire. Imagine this beautiful fire from the angels, galactics, ascended masters, dragons and unicorns. Send it to everything, every situation. If you're a healer, or if you just have a friend who's under the weather, send this fire to them as well. See them engulfed in this beautiful, transmuting flame. And if you know of a particular ailment they might be having, watch little explosions of glitter explode in their hologram. Keep breathing into it. Give it more momentum. Give it more speed. Give it more light. Just keep breathing. Just keep sending that beautiful flame to your day. Send it out. When you're ready, I'd like you to come back to your space. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a bow and thank this beautiful, powerful fire. And please use it often. Use it on everything. It's the most powerful light that we have here on this plane. And it's a gift from Saint Germain, so thank him as well. And have a great day. You're guaranteed now. Love and light, my friends.